Alright, YouTube, quick video. Alright, so if your battery's charged or you have a new battery and you know it's charged up and you go to start it and you get nothing, this solenoid, test this side, you should have power. When someone cranks it, you should have power on this side. However, if you don't, before you go and replace this, I would come up under the hood. After you check all your fuses, under the seat, there's a fuse box with some mains under there. Check them. They're in the little battery holders so they don't get wet. I would come up here, and I would take your hood off, and right here, wiggle this while someone cranks it. These are known to go bad. If it starts up, that relay is bad. There's another one behind it. So, before you